I want to dive into your background. I think it's really interesting. So
100%, man. Let's talk about it, man.
yeah, you've got a lot of things going on. So you're like an actor, a bodybuilder, security guy.
Yeah.
You've done security for some high net worth individuals.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
I gotta ask, like, are you just trying to do a bunch of things? Are you testing, or what's the?
It's something about being a dreamer and going for things that are something that you want to do. And on the course of that, you run into different individuals that, coexist in your dream. Obviously not dreaming with you in that aspect, but just being in that environment, it pushes you to your goals, right? So moving out here to LA area, security was never something that I thought I'd ever do. Like I just never said, oh, I want to do security, from working in, management through entertainment of billiards and bowling, and to being a teacher in education. I just had this acting bug hit me, and I'm like, I really want to do acting. And so what's the best place to go? Go to LA. And I had a friend, and from that, the journey began, from cleaning homes to washing cars, and security was always something that was like, oh, I could do that, and did some red carpet events here and there until I started working out, getting a little bigger, and people took notice. And I started getting, door jobs in the Valley. I met a guy that I ended up working with for a small amount of time. And Jason Derulo, worked with him as his guard for a little time, and then worked for TikTokers and bloggers and other celebrities as Ray J and all these guys. And it was just going through the course of just trying to survive in LA while working on the things that I wanted to do in the acting world, just to kind of pay my rent, because obviously rent is high and you got to have a decent amount of income to make that happen. And acting's not always going to do that if you're not, a major star or a leading role, or you're getting a series regular job. So those were the kinds of things that I did to keep myself going. And now I work for bikini bars and strip clubs right now. So it's it goes from one area to the other. No, but I mean, obviously, even working in these environments, the goal and the dream is still there, and I'm still pursuing it and still having fun with it, and loving every step of it.
What's the ultimate dream?
The ultimate dream is to be a part of a production that I have passion for and I love. And in the process now, I'm working on doing my own stuff. I have funding, and I have a script, and I have some actors and a director that I'm doing my own work on, and getting that put out there. After all the stuff I've been a part of, I think now is so important to create my own work and let that be the benchmark as to where this takes me. And if I put it down and say, you know what, I had my fun, I'm good, I'll go and do something else, which I'm fully capable of doing. I mean, I have a degree from reputable, university, Millikan University. I graduated. I've had, different various positions. So this is just, me saying, you know what, at the end of the day, I hold the keys to my own dream, my own career, my own world. And why not, instead of saying, woe is me, and waiting for people to cast me, cast myself and help the opportunity for other actors to be a part of something pretty cool.